First, drag the image of man. Adjust its size and position accordingly. Then drag the image of background. Adjust its position and size as well. Then make a new adjustment layer of hue and saturation. Make it to orange color type background. Then give this background color the Gaussian blur. Now, drag another background layer. Adjust its position and change its blending mode to screen. Make its layer mask and choose gradient of black and white on it so it will give the fading effect. Then make new adjustment layer of orange solid color. Change its blending mode to soft light and decrease its opacity. Choose blending option for man image and give it inner glow effect. Give the values and color accordingly. Make group by selecting layers and pressing Ctrl+G. Now, choose Camera Raw Filter for man image and adjust the values accordingly. Make new adjustment layer of solid color above background layers. Choose its color orange and change its blending mode to screen. Fill its layer mask with black. Then choose soft round brush tool and paint white on areas where you want the glow to show up. Now drag the image of shape. Place it behind the man image. Right-click on its layer. Choose Blending Options and give it gradient with the exact colors and values. Now, drag another image and place it above the shape. Change its blending mode to screen and then clip to the shape. Select the shape layer. Give it the Gaussian blur effect. Now, select the layers. Press Alt and drag above the man image. This will duplicate the layers. Then adjust the new shape accordingly. Now make new adjustment layer of solid color. Change its blending mode to screen. Fill its layer mask with black. And then paint white with soft round brush tool where you want to show glow to pop out. Now, drag another image of gym equipment. Adjust its position accordingly. Now, make new adjustment layer of color balance. Increase the yellow and red color so that it matches with background. Then give it the Gaussian blur effect. Now, write text with Text tool. Change its font to Bronix. Duplicate this text layer by pressing Ctrl+J and then edit the text. Do the same and write text muscle in the same manner. Now, select two text layers. Right-click with mouse, then convert to Smart Object. Then choose Blending Options, and give it Gradient Effect. Choose values accordingly. Now, make new layer just below the text layers, and paint black with soft round brush tool to make the text more clear. Change its blending mode to screen. Fill its layer mask with black, and then paint white with soft round brush tool. Now make rectangle and write text above it. Now, drag another image. Adjust its size and position. And change its blending mode to screen. Make duplicate of it and place it at the top position. Drag another image and place it above background layers. Change its blending mode to screen. Drag another image and place right at the top of every layer. Change its blending mode to screen and decrease its opacity. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E to merge all the layers together. Then choose Camera Raw Filter and adjust the values accordingly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.